Hey friends, I'm Michael here from Conceptual. I wanted to quickly show you what it's all about and where I'm at with the product so far. So Conceptual was born out of my own frustration as a content creator trying to bring concepts to life and going from an idea to the final image really quickly without dealing with a whole lot of different things and questions that you have when you're doing design professionally. So let me show you what I have here. As you can see, that graphic was created in Conceptual. It does all the things that you would expect an editor to do. So you can change text here, you can change the font, you can change the size of the font, yada. But you can also choose a different emoji. You can choose a logo in this case here. There's a whole bunch of logos that we have, and we can upload your own image. But where it starts to get interesting is if I go to the dashboard and let me create another graphic here. So here I can just type in an idea. So I'll just type in the word cake mix because that's just sounds like fun. You can put it in a tweet here. You can put in anything you want. It'll try to summarize in the keywords and generate the graphics. So let me just show you what it looks like. So if I hit generate, it just starts trying to its best to generate a graphic that fits the keywords that it found, the tone that you selected. So let's select funny here. And everything is based on a simple search, pretty much. So here I search for cake, and we kind of loop through different cake options, as you can see here. Here I use the word mix, so I'll search for mix, and a delicious tool is mix panel. So you can have that here. And you can also obviously change. So here's the search for the color based on the tone here. And you can also just get rid of all of that and override it, select something else. Like if you wanted to use this gradient, for example, we can, and then we can hit download that. We can choose different sizes. And we can even upload custom images, and where that's useful is when you're creating a meme, for example. So I have a meme here I created the other day. If you don't want Twitter, for example, to cut off the text on your tweet here, that has happened to me, what you can do, you can just add it here. We can just change to black bars, and we can just scale it up until it hits the edges here. So there we go. And boom, we have it for Twitter. And then we can generate one for Instagram really quickly as well by just following the same process and just post it to Instagram, and you're done. So that's what I have so far. Oh, and if you want to change, if you have a longer text in here, and you want to change the keywords, you can as well. So you can put the keywords in here, and yeah, it'll change over time. So hopefully you have fun with this. Check in often. There'll be a lot of new updates coming in the coming weeks and months. And follow me on Twitter if you don't already, at Yagudayev. You can find it on the bottom of the website here as well. And thank you for watching. Bye.